Do you have an error with the CE Util Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll guide you through the diagnostic to restore system stability and get Windows CE Utility Shim working again. Before we start the CE Util library configuration, consider using the diagnostic resource below to maintain a clean system state. This is the CE Util library, the Windows CE Utility Library. It facilitates localized synchronization handshakes and localized data transfer between localized Windows PCs and localized mobile devices running Windows CE or Windows Mobile. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. This error is usually caused by corruption in Windows system files. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and execute sfc/scan now to scan and restore protected files like CE Util Library DLL. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the CE Util library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Please use caution. Replacing CE Util Library DLL manually often requires elevated permissions that, if mishandled, can leave your system architecture vulnerable to external exploits. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. Maintain a more reliable system by reviewing the software resource below, related to managing CE Util library references. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped CE Util library workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.